All right, slow motion for you girls out there. Here we go. Straight out of a Disney movie. All right.
It's like Cruella de Vil.
Yeah, I'd say so. So the first thing we're going to do is put our ointment on. We call that the...
It's not ointment, it's primer.
We call that the primer. All right. The primer. This is similar to the painting scheme when you paint. You put primer on first, then you...
Paint with your fingers?
Well, you would use a brush, of course, but we're not at that
foundation.
Point. Next up, foundation. Maybelline? Is that the...
Yes, Maybelline.
Nice, I like it. So it's powder, 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 puff, 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 powder, powder. Then you spread. You spread. That kind of looks like PB&J, actually. Like peanut butter and jelly, like on your face.
Because of what?
No, because like I don't know the color that you chose. This must help when you don't have like a tan, for sure, like when it's wintertime.
Well, this is my winter color, so I'm looking a little pale there. Okay, next.
Yeah, there we go. This is the best part, the tape. The same tape you've used for Christmas time. Plenty of times. This is like you're going to war. Like, this is ridiculous to me. All this to what?
So you can line up your eyeshadow and make it look fierce. Oh, I just broke my rule.
Yeah, you did, actually. I was going to say something. So this is like, that protects them from getting it below, like, the eye?
Yeah, so now we have primer, eyeshadow primer.
Okay.
Prepping the lids.
Yeah. How long does that take you to do? Like, I know this is kind of sped up.
Michael, we're telling them how to do it. We're not talking about it, all right?
All right. Here we go. Then you spread them. You spread. Spread. We're going to do a lot of spreading, if you haven't noticed. Then we're going to show you the palette.
Fenty Beauty.
There it is. There it is. Look at all the glamorous colors.
By Rihanna.
Rihanna. You heard it? Riri. Here we go. You're going to tap, 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 tap. Ever so gently.
Well, I'm not that gentle, but...
All right, yeah. It's pretty aggressive, actually. So it's going to come out
in
like
the crease. In the crease.
It's going to come out like a Crayola color. And you're going to just spread it around.
Crayola?
Yeah, like red crayon.
You said Crayola.
Yeah, that's Crayola. It goes by crayon. Crayola. That's the brand.
Oh, gosh.
But yeah, so you're just going to spread. See, look at that tape. You see how it just got that?
Exactly. That's now you know why I'm using that Christmas tape for.
That is true. That is very true. Well done. Well played. There we go. So you spread it. And what that gives it a little more color to it? Like, what are you looking to get at a reddish tone, I'm assuming? Yeah? Okay. Putting the team on my back. So here we go. So we got the red going around. Blossom. Now we're going to show you another palette. Ultimate Gel by what? And why?
It's Ultimate Edit by NYX.
Oh, by NYX.
Going with that red color.
Nice. I like it.
Matches my nails.
That is true. It does match your nails. Did you pick it out for like that particular reason, or you just like the
No,
color?
I just made my nails match.
Makes sense. So what color? So this is like...
We're putting that on the lid.
Okay, cool. So we just spread it around. Spread it around. Spread it. It's looking real bloody out there, actually. It's really red. Getting colored. Okay. This is like a process. I've never realized how long of a process it is.
Well,
just
thanks
even watching
for appreciating, but you can make that process quick with practice.
That's
now
true.
We're just going to go in with that old brush and just blend out both of those colors.
So do you clean this every time? Like you clean your brushes all the time?
Can we not talk about that right now?
That's true. All right, so we're going for it. So we just kind of mopping. We're just mopping the highlights, clearly. Mopping the highlights. Ooh, that's a nice palette.
Yeah, Urban Decay.
I like
Metallics.
It. I like it. So it like pops. Is that what it does?
Yeah, we're going to take that red shimmer and put it right on the lid.
Oh, looks like you're putting a lot in there, no? Or just a little?
You got to pack it on.
So it's like pops. I like it. Ooh, Jaclyn Hill, is that?
That's Morphe by
nice.
Jaclyn Hill.
Okay.
Well, Jaclyn Hill by Morphe. I don't know. Whatever. Take the black out of that and put it right in the outer corner.
Is this for a smoky kind of thing?
Yeah, that's my baby.
Yeah,
he knows.
Yeah, I do.
That's smoky look.
That's me. I said that, guys. Anyways, we're moving forward. So looks like you're getting the smoky. Look, I like it. Is this like now? Where would you be able to like wear this out to?
Again, you're asking the wrong questions. Can we just keep on going?
We certainly can. So we're going to add on the other side, the other eyelid. There we go. And we're going to put a little bit more gray into it. A little smoky effect here. Okay. Blackish. Yeah, but it looks like it's starting to blend in. And then we got more of your nail polish. We're going to put it
under.
So you put it under too?
Yes.
Interesting.
You'll
So that
see.
tape is kind of like... So you have to... I thought the tape was just there for like...
The tape is there to make it precise.
Yeah.
And also to catch any of the fallout that's going to come out under your eyes.
Okay. I can see that. But you had to be real precise with how you did it, though. I didn't realize that.
Well, now you're going to appreciate it. Ta-da! Whoop!
That's impressive.
You see that?
That is impressive. Wow. That's really good.
And now I'm taking my black Marc Jacobs
Ooh,
eyeliner.
I don't know how you could do that. That's like right near the eyeball. I couldn't.
Yeah, you men. You know.
It's right
Rosie,
there.
stop.
That's close. Eeks. It's
not as bad as it looks. So now I'm going in with my Naked Urban Decay concealer.
So you're done with your eyes?
Pretty much.
Okay, so now we're moving down to...
Not completely, but we're just concealing my under eyes, my bags.
So that has the bags, apparently.
Yes.
Okay. So
see, it's going to brighten up the under eye, and I'm just going to blend it out.
Nice.
See that?
Wow. So you have to put that before you even put the makeup. Like,
what?
Oh, you put
Moving on.
Yeah.
Using my Huda Beauty.
You dropped some. You dropped some.
Yes, thank you. We know. And I'm setting my under eyes so that it doesn't crease. Because, with liquid products, sometimes you get those wrinkles.
Yeah. What's this right here?
This is my contour shade. Too Faced Chocolate Soleil.
What is it called?
Yeah, we'll go back to that.
Oof.
So we're just going to... That's my
What's
contour line.
You got that face like, talk your shit type of face. Excuse my language, but you have that face like, what you say? Like side talking.
Yes. Now I'm going to clean up my contour. Going back with that loose setting powder. Mm-hmm. Make it look sharp.
So there's a lot of... this is a long process.
Okay.
It's a lot.
Not that long when you get used to it.
I'm sure it isn't, but...
But thank you for appreciating.
Yeah.
Now I'm contouring my nose because I got an Indian nose.
So you got it's so contouring, it makes it what?
Skinnier.
Skinnier. So you're saying you have a fat nose?
I have a long nose.
Oh, okay.
I'm sure you noticed by now.
No, it looks good.
Okay, brushing off the powder.
brushing my haters off. So as you can see, she looks ashy as heck. But we're going to get to that point.
My Milani blush. I love this blush so much.
Milani. I like the name, Milani.
I do too.
Should
we name our daughter Milani?
Moving forward. So this gives you more of a cheekbone presence?
It gives you a little color on your cheeks so you look flushed.
Oh, a little rosy red.
Oh, and this is my liquid highlighter from Wet n Wild, which I love. Look at that. Look at that.
Is that to what? Brighten up your cheekbones?
Highlight. Glow for the gods, baby.
Mm-hmm. How often do you wear that? Or is it like a regular thing or certain occasions?
That's my everyday highlight.
Oh, so it's not like something that's like...
Look at that. Do you see it?
Yeah, it popped.
You see that? Just the slightest bit makes it.
Just went to AK for a second when you just did that like neck roll.
So then I top it off with a powder highlight.
Okay, I like it. Here we go. It's like in that same area though.
Look at that. Look at that.
It's like, wait. Mr. Miyagi, look at that shine. You even knew it too because you were like, oh shit. Like you saw it for yourself and you were like, I like it.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. That's good.
Yeah, and I put a little bit on my nose, the tip of my nose, and then the bridge of my nose. Just a little bit,
Yeah, no, that's nice. I like it.
And then right on my lip.
There it is. Okay, I see a little shiny. Oh, looks like mush. You know what I mean? Like
what? So then I'm going to go in with like my Makeup Forever lip pencil in black. Uh-huh. It's like painting. You just kind of like draw.
You're drawing lips here? Okay.
Yeah, basically drawing out my lips so that I can fill it in later.
Okay.
You don't have to be precise, but like, just give it a general shape.
Yeah. No, look good.
Ooh, that's my Fenty Beauty liquid lipstick.
So that's black. We're going black.
All black, baby. Once you go black, you never go back.
And where were you going for this? Like, where did you go after this?
Again, those questions will be saved for a later time and date.
All right, I'm just saying because I don't not remember.
Michael, focus on the makeup.
All right, and we're back, and we see her putting nail polish on her lips, and this is a spray that she'll be doing. That's toilet water. Don't let her fool you.
Setting spray.
Yeah, right. Setting spray out the toilet. That's right.
Oh my God, you're disgusting.
All right. So you that just freshens it up, I'm assuming?
No, it sets your makeup so it doesn't move. Oh. Now I'm using my Fenty Beauty Flyliner, as it's called.
And what
because
does
it's
it
so
do?
fly.
It lines you up.
Michael,
I'm assuming.
winged eyeliner.
So it lines
Ever
your
heard of it?
outline. No, I seen it.
Look at what I'm doing.
Dang.
It's hard.
Yeah.
Why are you laughing?
That's funny, but that looked good though. I could, but you look like you were hurt enough for a second. Like
it's stressful
Okay,
doing
I'm
your
sure.
eyeliner,
I'm sure.
especially when you're recording it. Like you see my hand right now.
There you
which
go.
is
That's what the
ashy.
viewers want. They want to know that the struggle, the pain. They want it real.
You just want to line your top, like right on your lid.
Looks like you're doing good on that
right
side.
on your lash line. Rosie, I'm gonna need you to stop. And then you're gonna take that corner right there, the corner of your eye, and drag out a line as far as you want the liner to go. Take that tip and draw like a line.
Here we go.
Yes, like a triangle, and then you just fill in the edges. And then you can go back and like line your lash line as thick as you want it. But yeah, that's my Kat Von D mascara.
Mascara.
That's when you had walked in on me.
Oh, is that right? Oh, that's why you looked up.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. So this is like makes your eyelashes longer and darker.
More prominent. Some
Okay.
mascaras are better than others. This one was okay to do the job.
Yeah. No, it looks good.
Because I hate wearing false lashes. We're almost done.
I know. Didn't take too long, actually. This is good. And your hair looks good, too. Like, you made sure you had your hair done.
Thanks,
Yeah,
babe. I appreciate that. And my earrings.
You forgot the earrings. Did you just do a snap? Oh, my goodness.
Those earrings.
Now you're feeling yourself too much.
Mm.
Did she just...
Red and black makeup.
Uh-oh, slow motion for you.
I'll show you where those earrings came from.
I like it like that. She working that. I don't know how to act.